Vehicle? Check out the 2007 Fit. The Fit was engineered to be useful, efficient, and reliable. But its most important attribute is its innate charm and coolness, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: engine immobilizer, steel wheels, front disc rear drum brakes, tires front all season, FWD, tires rear all season, front wheel independent suspension, wheel covers, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.